So the question is being asked, how come Innswood High School and Kellits High School got kicked out of schoolboy football for the remainder of this season and all of next season for the use of ineligible players, while Heidel and Jamaica College only lost 3 points for the same offense? Simply put, Innswood and Kellits committed worse offenses. We hearing about forgery of ID cards, the use of a 21-year-old player, and a player using his younger brother's ID picture. Both schools use players who not even attend the schools, compared to JC that used a player who was apparently registered at another school, and Heidel that went over their allowed quota of imported players. But my question with the banning of these schools is, why punish the innocent players from Innswood and Kellits for the transgressions of 1 or 2 players? Even if the coaches or the teachers were involved, what about the innocent eligible players who are now suffering? Why we are punish the innocent many for the sins of a guilty few? And not just for the season, but for next season as well. That cruel as hell.